In front of me is INFINIX Smart 8, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and click on More Connections. When you're ready, select Printing and click on Default Print Service. Lastly, just wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you want to use a different service, tap on green switcher next to the default one. Go back. Click on Add Service and download the best one for you. I will go with this one. When your new service is ready, go back to the same settings and click on it. Then tap on gray switcher next to it and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!